Old Goa Action Committee, supported by 4,500 signatures from their campaign, has called for a master plan for Old Goa before the upcoming exposition. The community has raised concern about the several illegal projects near the UNESCO heritage site and submitted objection letter to the Chief Minister regarding unauthorized land conversion.
How he is signing these projects without doing the physical checking, I can't understand. And it looks like that in his tenure, most of the illegalities have come up. And the government can take action against him, can take action against the town and country planning. Because without physical checks, with all these things are just overlooked. So we request the Chief Minister, who is the head of the cabinet, who all these ministers come under him, that he should take action, he should take, and not take excuses saying that I don't know. That is not a responsibility of a Chief Minister. It means not a responsible statement of a Chief Minister. He is in charge of all the ministers, and all the ministers have to report to him of what they are doing. I request the Chief Minister to take action and get us the master plan for Old Goa. This is our demand.
Website on Facebook, Save Old Goa Action Committee. Download the forms, take the initiative and forward it. Sata titli, so that we can ask the CM amka master plan before the exposition. Amka master plan जाय.
सेव्ह ओल्ड गोवा ॲक्शन कमिटी फेसबुकाचेर आणि तुमच्या गांवांनी तुम्ही लिडरशिप घेवची आणि गांवांच्या नावान सीएमाक वो चेअरमॅन ऑफ द एक्सपोजिशन कमिटीचे व्हरून दिवची, कित्याक आमकां ओल्ड गोवा मास्टर प्लॅन जायो आणि हे नाका जाल्ले प्रोजेक्ट नाका. आतां गोंयच्या साहेबाची थिंगा कूड आहा, तो होली प्लेस आणि तेचे एक हात रोमान आहा, जाल्यार जण एकल्या गोंयकारां लागीं मागता तुमचो हात यूज करचो, सायन मारची आणि गोंयच्या साहेबाची पवित्र सुवात सांबाळची.